back here on Tim's Falcon. Falcon. Caw!
Falcon. Caw, caw, caw. Oh, no, wait a minute. That's a caw.
It all sound the same. Anywho, already drained the oil. Already changed the filter. Working on, I know it's dark. Get with me. Getting our bottom of our shocks out. I can do it right here without taking the wheels off, any of that. Make it nice and easy. Scotty's getting a little sealant on our valve cover. Gonna put a new gasket on. Gonna pop that baby on, right, Scotty?
Yeah, but I got to get the black caulk off my hands.
You love the black caulk.
Yeah.
Oh, Tim's setting the alarm. Hold on. All right, so we were interrupted because Tim set the alarm and didn't know we were here. So, oh, damn it, I didn't turn the light on. Son of a... Okay, lights on. Got the hardware off of...
You got the hardware off?
Shut up. Anyway, on the shock, the bottom of the shock, I got the bottom's hardware off. God.
No comment there. But you're the straight guy.
Well, I'm around you enough, so...
Oh, yeah, that's...
The jokes write themselves.
They do.
So, I gotta just get these two nuts off. Shut up, peanut gallery. Then I'm gonna let the car down. Scotty's gonna put the valve cover on. I'm gonna pull the old shocks out, set the new shocks in, and then we'll raise it back up and tighten it up.
That looks a lot better.
Ooh, yes.
Nice and clean. It had a lot of oil residue on it from the blow-by from here and the leaking gasket. So we're going to give this a few minutes to tack up really, really good before we put it on. So to make sure I've got good pressure.
You can set her on the floor. Get it real low.
How low
Put it on
can
the
you
floor.
go?
How low can you go? Yo, mama's a hoe. No, wait, next.
Hey, wait a minute. You know my mom?
No,
Oh, everybody else does.
the truck stop. People.
Ah, gotcha. Cha-ching.
Anyway, I want to get those nuts off, and then we're done. No getting nuts off, Joe. All right.
Oh,
New nice shocks out, ready to go.
did we get We got extra nuts.
All right, that's good. We'll put them down there because we're going to use them.
Woohoo!
Or both.
Extra nuts.
I got the old shock, one of them right here. I already put the other one away.
Oh, wait. You dropped it. You dropped something.
I dropped the boing boing washer. Anyway,
The boing, boing, boing.
what are we doing here?
Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole deep. Ah! Yes, deeper, faster, harder. I want to get pregnant.
You Back to shocks. So here's the nice new ones. For those of you that aren't vomiting and retching, here's a nice new shocks. Beautiful KYB gas adjust. Because Tim buys nice stuff.
Yes.
So I'm going to set these in right now. And Scotty's going to put the valve cover on.
We'll get them all set.
And then I'll tighten these up from underneath. And then we'll come back down, tighten up the top, and be done.
Up, down.
Up, down,
We got to put
up,
oil
down.
in it. Oil and filter.
Yes, well, when you get the valve cover done, we will. Filter's on.
Oh, sweet.
So, do the valve cover. Do it! Do it now!
Do it. Get to the chopper.
Chop it now! Daddy, are you putting on the valve cover?
I'm putting in some nuts, dear.
That's a bolt.
Nuts, screws, whatever.
Oh boy. Anyway, so valve cover's going in. It'll be snugged up nicely. We'll put in our oil and our zinc additive. Then we're going to put our chocks in the hole here.
Put Edwina back in the hole. Back in the hole.
In the hole. Back in the hole.
Ooh, do that again.
Stick it in, big boy. Look at you. Did you just put it in the hole?
I shoved it in the hole twice. I got a twofer.
It's not a tumor.
It's not a tumor. Boys have a penis, girls have a vagina.
That was actually one of the first movies I ever saw in the theater.
Really?
It was like the fourth movie I ever saw in the theater, I think, something like that.
What was the first movie I saw?
Oh, God.
Wasn't E.T.
E.T. was great.
Nope, Star Wars. The first Star Wars, I saw that at the theater with my mom and my grandmother and brother and sister. Because we were in Virginia at the time.
You were like, what, 7, 8? That came out in 77.
Well, I got to be 8 before I was 9, so...
Oh, my God. That movie came out in 77, so
I was 8.
8, yeah. Look at you. First movie I ever saw in theater? Land Before Time.
Oh, good movie.
I cried like a bitch.
Hey.
But I was 3, so... When the mama dinosaur died, I cried.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? It still scars me to this day. I think about it now and I want to cry.
Well, I mean, it was those types of movies hit you in a lot of different ways. I don't care who you are.
They're intended to teach you emotion, too.
Yeah, exactly. And I think that's an amazing thing because we don't have that anymore.
Yeah.
We have parents that don't discipline their children, don't take care of their children, and then whine, bitch, and moan when their children don't listen to them.
Yeah. Maybe your child wouldn't be a shit if you weren't shit.
Ask any one of my children.
What's your backhand look like coming at him real quick?
My youngest one, who's now 30, I think I slapped him once and I spanked him once in 30 years. Well, in 18.
Mama used to get me with the coat hanger, but she'll deny it now.
No.
Even though the statute of limitations is up, so she.
Oh, yeah.
It made me a better person. Anyway,
But,
Cotty, how's your bolts coming?
good. I just need to get a ratchet.
Rat shit.
Rat shit, bat shit, dirty old twat. 69 assholes tied in a knot. Yay, pussy shit.
Holy crap. That went above and beyond. I'm sorry. Are we a little too
For those
extreme?
of you playing the home game,
We're a little nuts.
a little.
We go right down the old tangent there. All right, so we got one in. I'm going to set the other one here. Scotty's going to tighten that up. We're going to put some Earl in her. Earl. We're going to put some Earl in the motor down. And then finish the chocks.
Chocks.
And then we are ready to go.